Here in Cafe Asia, we have Herr Bertrand Alex Gourmet or Schaerer, and he's going to tell us a bit about his high-end machines. They are not to be compared with more home use other machines that start with an N. I think you know what I mean. Bitte.
Also, vielen Dank. Thank you.
Yeah.
Es freut mich. I'm really pleased to show you the product.
Danke, danke.
This is a very unique concept. This is a hybrid between a manual and a fully automatic coffee machine. The advantage of this machine is you don't need a barista. You can use a barista, but you don't need a barista. What it does, it has integrated grinders, so you have consistently the same quality of coffee. You don't have to depend on the mood or having on different shift, different quality. You always have the same quality. It automatically grinds. It automatically foams the milk. So
here we can see the foaming, the rock and roll, what they call the barista.
And it stops at the right temperature. In our case, we programmed it to 60 degrees, so the frothing stops at 60 degrees. And when you look here, very lovely milk quality. You can even swirl it a little bit to get the bubbles out. Then espresso is done.
Yes, espresso is done.
And the only thing you have to do as a barista, you mix it, and if you're good, not like me, you do a little hard.
No, actually he's very modest, he's pretty good.
Then,
bravo, Bertrand, bravo.
And at the end
very
you
good.
only have to flush the milk steamer and empty the basket, and the machine is ready. So very easy to use, especially when you have a lot of changing staff, either because they're in Australia traveling and are working, so how can it work, holiday people, or when you have in a situation where you have a lot of changing staff, or you have
part-time staff,
or you want to offer 24 hours a day coffee. You can really do that. Schaerer Barista is the model, and I'm Alex. Vielen Dank.
Vielen Dank, bitteschön, besten Dank. Ganz gut, ganz gut. And so from Dr. Michael Lim, the Traveling Gourmet in Cafe Asia, keep calm and drink coffee. Ciao.